In this video, I will show you how you can buy a domain. First of all, just scroll down to this video and click on the link below. Then you will redirect it to this Namecheap page. From here, you can buy a brand new .com domain at only 6 USD for first year. And you can also buy WordPress hosting and other things related to the website. So we will buy the domain. Just click here. Now type the name, the domain you want to buy. After typing the name, just click here on search. Now the Namecheap is checking if this domain is available for you. Yes, this domain .com is available. You can get this .com domain only on $6 with this coupon code. And if you scroll down, many extension they have. You can see there are 400 plus extensions, so you can explore them. So let's check out this .com domain. Just click here, add to cart. Domain is only the name, so if you buy only the domain, you will only buying this name. But when you buy the web hosting, you can also host files, you can show images, videos, text to the user whenever anyone click on your domain name. If you want to send email as your business, like info@domain.com, you can get this business email. Then the SSL is for security. Hacker cannot hack your website if you use premium SSL certificate. Premium DNS is for faster speed. And then the WordPress hosting. If you want to host your website on WordPress platform, you can buy this WordPress hosting also. Okay, let's add this and check out. So make sure you check this for 1 year or 2 year for getting the maximum benefit. You can get this hosting only on 37 USD for 2 year. Register this domain for longer period like 3 year, 4 year if you have any coupon code, and apply it and just confirm it to buy this domain and hosting. So here you need to create your account to manage this domain and hosting. After buying the domain, you can see the domain name on the dashboard on the domain list, and also you can see the hosting on the hosting list, and you can manage this hosting from here. You can manage the private emails and other things from here on the left part. So this is how you can buy a domain name and host your website easily and quickly. So if you need any help setting up your domain, knock me on my email or just comment below. Now if you want to create a website using ChatGPT, just click on the left video. And if you want to get more offer on web related tools, just check on the right playlist. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos like this.